Welcome to Omni Cubed. We develop innovative tools for fabricators and installers, and we have been setting the industry standard for decades. With 50-plus years combined experience in mechanical engineering, product design, and manufacturing, we create products that our customers can trust to work and trust to last. 218,000 pounds of raw material, 18,980 machine hours, 350,000 components machined every year, all under one roof right here in Shingle Springs, California. Superior quality, attention to detail, and care are at the forefront of everything we do. From first concept to final assembly, we have been and will continue to be always American. At Omni Cubed, it's about family, friends, and faith. Doing business the right way, not the easy way, because our customers matter to us. Our cutting-edge, practical tools help talented craftsmen produce a premium product safely and efficiently. We are just one helpful call, text, or email away from any new part, question, or suggestion that our customers have. Our products are distributed around the corner and across the globe. And if we aren't where you are already, we will be. Contact us today.